Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit site permissions on Samsung Internet. So from the home menu, tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings, scroll until you see Sites and Downloads, tap on it, then you tap on Site Permissions, and now you can edit it the way you want. You want to turn off microphone, you turn it off. You want to leave microphone on, location, so you can turn it on or off. Camera, you can turn it on or off. Allow JavaScript, you can turn it on or off. Temporarily allowed cookies and site data and cookies. You can also further edit the cookie settings. Note that cookies are small pieces of data from your website that are stored on your phone. These are often used to remember your interactions with the website, such as the items in your shopping cart. However, they can also be used to track you. Third-party cookies come from a server that's different from the website you're visiting. They're usually used to track the websites you visit and provide advertising. Blocking cookies can help protect your privacy, but it could make some websites stop working correctly. So here you have the options for allow cookies, block third-party cookies, or block all cookies. You decide. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to channel for more. Thanks for watching.